everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady J? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My Monga people, oh, they say they say may we leave matter for Matthias. Like sometimes I go they wonder some kind women if they okay. Like if something dey wrong with them, wey be say they no fit go for deliverance, me I no know, my people. A woman open mouth dey say in the jogodo with e husband papa, my people. E husband papa in the jogodo with am. My people never, they say wetin person never see sometimes they never waka reach there. Like this one e shockalize me when me hear am. When she dey confess for Yore, Mommy Yore platform, I shocked her lies 10 times. Say a woman dey confess, say in the jogodo, yours man papa. Like Abema play and make una the listing where she dey use her own mouth the shop onions.
They always go Nigeria, sometimes go greet him father. So even now, if I dey pregnant 3 years now. So I get affair with him papa.
One of the year oh.
They always go Nigeria, sometimes go greet him father. So even now, if I dey pregnant, but the belle no begin get am.
Wait, so you dey make love with your husband father?
Yes, ma.
This thing when you want talk, if in a lie, if you drink water, you will never have peace. Say amen.
No, mommy, not be lie.
You dey make love with your husband father. Your husband father, yes. How old is he?
Ma?
Your husband father, how old is he?
He's 52.
52 years, you dey make love with her. Where he dey carry you, dey go now hotel? I been at his house.
No, not the house where in not their family house. But I ain't get answer.
Now dey your husband papa they make love with you.
Yes, mommy.
Nah, no, I don't blame you. No, I don't go. Nobody go blame you. The way to be this one not be anything. Then the belle when you get now, who get her?
Mommy, I know like to you. I don't even know who get the belle now. When my husband get her, when I papa, I don't just know because before I go Nigeria, I go Nigeria. I know what to say when I come back from Nigeria.
Okay, you go Nigeria now. How many months your belle day now?
My belle don't day, but I can 6 months.
6 months. Then how many months there when you go? So that make women wait don't bomb, make they help you calculate her. How many months there now when you come back from Nigeria?
Because I said go to Nigeria inside because I know first see my period before I go Nigeria. So when I reach Nigeria, based on all this coronavirus thing, I don't quick come back. So now I come Italy on the 27th of last month. Now I come. I did Nigeria all this while. So I don't know whether I carry belle go. I don't just understand.
Now, the father of your husband, how many times he make love with you when you did Nigeria?
Now always when I did there.
Every day night they make love with you.
Yes.
And you know, so you be picking wife.
Me and him with the always even the time when I did me and him would always they talk, shy, you know. Would always me and him we even they more closer than his son. But based on say it's not the reason I say based on say na his father now. You don't understand. Based on say na his father, if he they close to him wife. So me and him they always they close. Even when I say reach Nigeria first. When I take body, I don't even see chance to reach my own side.
The father of your husband, na Bini be a Bina Orobo.
No, not the Bini man.
Who tried?
Naisha.
Naisha man. Your husband who call?
Yes, Naisha.
Naisha na.
Who too Naisha? You too, Naisha.
No, man, no be Isha.
You be where?
I be from Yoruba.
Okay, Yoruba, eh? So, as you the fuck father of your husband, he they kiss you?
Yes, no.
You know the romance.
That's the work on Jogo though. They must kiss him now.
Ma?
He they romance you. He they kiss your breast. No, not that now. Because you know, say, now go say me talk, I'm everything joking. So now this belly where you get,
I don't know
now
if
the
you
belly
like
not
joke,
this
like
how many months
Yeah.
is there now when you come back from Nigeria? More from there, calculate time.
Now December 27, I come back.
December 27, now you come back from Nigeria. Your belly just 6 months now. How many months you spent for Nigeria?
That kind, no, July now I take go.
July, go make calculate. I bet make una help and calculate. July, come reach now your belly just 6 months. May we know whether not the father of your husband.
Because now July, that kind July ending now I take go.
Okay, July ends. As you don't reach Nigeria, you and the man make love.
Yes, ma.
Okay, una make love. I bet make una help and calculate time. They say na 6 months. Now the father of your husband I get him. Now you get the belly. Now they don't help you calculate time.
I don't know what thing I want to do. As in, the thing they worry me for head. I know they feel sleep. After they talk to you now, based on say my husband no dey inside room. I dey palo and they don't sleep. Me even they hear wetin I dey talk now. That be my problem. I don't feel keep and the thing they disturb me for mind. As in, I don't even know the kind thing where I want to tell and say, I see what thing they happen. You understand? It's very, very,
very shameful.
No,
right
the
for
way it go
ears.
be so,
I don't know.
Wait,
No.
Hello, my sister.
Advise me.
My sister,
I want to.
listen to me.
I would say,
No cry,
even go
no
far for
cry.
go remove am.
No, not remove her. Not remove the pikin. Even though your papa give you the belly, now your husband go collect the child. 100%. So just relax. Thank God, so
Now
the
that
pikin not be
part-
for our side. So
Wait, oh, now that part now me I not dey understand for this mommy Yuri. He say even though say na a papa get and a husband na him get am 100%. How your husband take get am when the papa na him jogodo with am? I don't understand though. Which man go gree that kind thing? This woman husband no go gree that kind thing. Say in your papa the jogodo in your wife like abomination aru. Igbo go say aru eme. Who go gree say if your papa the jogodo in your wife? My people, I beg how una reason this woman o. How una reason now? This woman dey okay. This woman dey okay. The jogodo your own husband, papa. Now you don't even know whether na the man get the belly or na the son that he get am. You don't even know. You dey confused. This will not be wife. Oh. This will not be person where man supposed to put for us at all. My people, I beg how una reason this matter because as in this one, you know what to be mumu talk. Say they go try, make they pray, put make the so that make he collect the pikin and the guy go collect am. Me no.
the same blood. Now your husband get the belly. As you don't confess her today, let your mind be free.
Like seriously?
Now your husband get the pikin. As for say like papa, what it be papa or your husband get am here? Why a child man go behave like this? A child man, why he go behave like this? How can you fucking pikin wife? Why he go behave like this?
Me, I don't know.
And if you dey make love with you,
I dey very, very confused. I don't even know what thing I want to do. I don't know. I don't go up hunger. I don't think. The thing no let me. It no come up for my mind. It no come on.
Make I tell you, my sister, you don't talk and make it come up for your mind. Now your husband get the pikin. Yeah, put it in your mind.
I don't want to make him go find that, you know.
He?
I want to find out.
Wetin I want talk?
How many years they now with the friend, the father of your husband? How many years?
Based on because when I take a day with my husband, that was in 2017. Now I take a day with my husband.
Wow, my people. The matter, this one, it shocked me like seriously. Like the video too long, so I don't fit play everything, my people. Wetin una think? This girl not supposed to confess to her husband. I bet una leave una comment to my people. Like this one shocked me. Oh, this one surprised me like seriously. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.